Okay, hopefully you had a chance to watch the last video about the initial rollout automation and how we're going to roll out your new agency branded technology to all of your clients. Now this video is really going to articulate how the ongoing communication goes. So obviously we want to make sure that we're communicating with the new policyholders that you've written, but we also want to be able to update your current policyholders when policy statuses change. And of course, taking a lot of this workload off of your CSRs. So let's see what that looks like. So the automation, again, doesn't stop at the rollout. GloveBox is going to receive a weekly list of all policy updates from your agency management system. Very, very simple to set up. You probably will be shocked at how easy it is, and we outline it in your onboarding. Usually takes like 30 to 45 seconds to set up this list. It's unbelievably easy. That list will be uploaded into our automation system once per week, and then our messaging will be pushed out to your clients. Again, this is saving really precious time and resources that are currently being handled by your CSRs or maybe not at all. And now it's putting the workload on our system, and we're able to automate that for you, really saving those resources so you can utilize them in a much more effective fashion. So let's see kind of the specific policy statuses that would trigger us to send automation messages. New business is obviously one of the biggest ones. So as you're writing new business, we're going to welcome them to the agency and communicate that effectively, getting them to utilize your app. Renewal business. So when renewals come in, we're going to pull those policies down from the carriers. We're going to put them right in your policyholder's app. And now they're going to be able to go in and look at those. The messaging is also going to invite them to communicate with your staff if they'd like to review the renewals, which is an excellent time for you not only to identify maybe new E&O exposures, but to also cross-sell other policies and coverages based on the needs of your clients. So really nice touch point there. But again, they can access those documents in their GloveBox automatically. Pending cancellations and cancels. So we'll be able to communicate that to your policyholders. And this is whether they're a user or a non-user. We're always going to invite them to download your technology, but we also want to be able to communicate these on your behalf to all of your clients, not just your app users. That's going to, again, invite them to look at the app, see what's going on with the policy, and then communicate with your team effectively to rectify the situation. Same thing with a non-renewal. We're going to notify your clients on your behalf, inviting them to get in touch with you so that your staff can handle them properly, make sure that retention stays high. The automation is going to depend on the agency management system. So some agency management systems send more policy statuses than others. So it really just depends on what data they're collecting from the carriers. And as you can see on the right here, that's an example message of what it would look like. Again, coming from your agency and your team, not from GloveBox. So what does this mean for your agency? As a whole, you're going to see reduced service demand because, again, a lot of it is being automated. You're going to see an increased retention because maybe these policy statuses aren't being communicated effectively currently. It's very hard to keep up. And so now that we're able to automate it and effectively communicate, you're going to be able to really create a better experience for your policyholders, really rectify situations faster, make them aware if there's an issue and get them handled, and your clients are going to appreciate that. It's going to increase happy clients because of that, which is going to make them want to refer you out more, reduce that E&O exposure, and really increase that bottom line revenue, which is the overall driving factor of GloveBox in a nutshell. So that's how the ongoing communication works. Please watch our next videos, which we're going to dive in into more products and features that are coming with GloveBox that we're working on and very excited to bring to you, our agent partners. So thank you so much, and we look forward to working with you.